This is so scuffed. This is so scuffed. Anyway, yeah, hello. Wait, who's Sailor Uranus? Who's that? Okay, anyway, hi, hello, welcome. I am sorry for the delay. Because I was setting up some stuff because I just realized that I didn't adjust things so that I don't dox myself. That must be guilty. Anyway, yeah, hi, hello. Who is Sailor Uranus? Seriously, who that? Anyway, hi, it's Daniel. Hi, Blue. Hi, Amin. Hi, Bear. Hi, Sotong. Yes. Hello, everyone. Hello. You miss me? Yeah. Thank you for missing me. Yes. Oh my god. Today is such a scuffle. Oh my god. Wait. I am just thinking like how to show like the output, but like I think I can wing this. Anyway, yeah, new viewer. But yeah, hello. Mustache toko. No mustache for today. Today you get a megane. Oh, because I wanted to. Don't dox yourself. Yeah, I adjusted settings so that I don't dox myself now. Wait, for safety, what I should do is like, because like if I don't show like this, because there's this part like on the down one that is like kind of important, because like this is where you can detect the errors and stuff. So yeah, 1D homework. I don't know where my like past codings went for. Oh, Mr. Cockroach came to say hi again. Say hi to Mr. Cockroach, everyone. It's okay, Nation, because we can see your beautiful face. Okay. Runner teaches coding. Oh my god. Wow, go kill it, nah. It's coexistence. I'll like clean up my room like when I had like proper free time, Yeah. Double check, Nechan. Yes. Like from what I'm like right now, like I am not like the things like my settings and stuff is it's set to me not yeah. I'm safe. If I dox myself, I guess. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Cockroach. Yes, Cockroach. Yeah. Mr. Cockroach. Yes. Hi, Lipas. Yes. Lipas, everyone is saying hi. Oh, Mr. Cockroach ran away. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just try to set up things so that I can, look at there. This is like the output, like code output. Wait. Oh, this is so big. Neat. Oh, alright, it's okay. Maybe I can put this here or something. Yeah, here is okay. Alright, okay. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, hell no. The cockroaches are pest to me. It's okay whether you like coexist or like you kill it, because like the cockroaches is Mr. Cockroach is not doing anything to me right now, so like that's why I'm letting it roam free. But later I will. Haha, yes. Well, yeah, they are classified as pets. Yes. Anyway, yes. Hi everyone. Hello. Welcome to the stream. My name is Aion Kaname, and today I will be coding, specifically C++. Yes. So yeah, I hope you are having a good day, and I hope you had your meals also. Yeah. Perhaps you should double check everything before you share the screen. Don't want to get yourself lost without you realize it. It's okay. I double checked before streaming. It's like last minute check, and then like I realized, and then like, oh my god. Yeah. But yeah, if I dox myself, I guess yeah, it's like I guess like you'll see like a part that I try. I don't know if that's like you can even find me with that dox information. So like yeah. Later he will fly. Yeah, when it flies, then I will get rid of it. Yes. I kill them as soon as they do. Okay. Konne-chan, Konne-chan. Hello, Buckle. Welcome to the stream. Oh my god, that's such a nice greeting. Maybe I should do that. Yes. Ami don't jinx it. Yeah, don't jinx it. Later it fly to me, then you'll be responsible for it. Anyway, can you guys see like the text and stuff? Because like earlier I was actually like double checking this also. Konne-chan. Yeah. Okay, the software that I'm using right now is specifically it's Dev C++. You can search it up, Dev C++, because I used to use this. So like I also have like Visual Studio Code, but I haven't set up the stuff needed yet. So yeah, just be like if you want to like get into coding and stuff, just be sure that because like I believe when you install the software, like if it's specific to a programming language, usually like there's like a manual so that you can set up the compiler and stuff. I'll explain to you like these kind of terms after this. So yeah, like just for now, just keep that in mind. Maybe I'll just make some notes also for you guys, you know? Yeah. You can see it. Yeah, if the text is too small, do tell me because like I'm used to like small text, but like when I work when I was during my time as a TA, like people like students were like needing the lecture to making it bigger, making the font a bit bigger. So yeah. So do let me know. Let me know it. Let me know. Yeah. Oh my god, this feels like I'm back in the classroom. I'm back in classroom, but instead of like the TA, I'm actually like out there like, yo, I am in front. I am teaching stuff. Yeah. oh no, yeah, I got flashbacks because it's such a fun memory to me actually because like I really love coding back then. Now like even though I'm not as involved with it as I used to, I still cherish it just as much. So like getting back to it is like it's like doing back the thing that you really love, you know? Yeah, this kind of thing. Nyanyami glasses pog. Yes, Nyanyami glasses pog. I'll link the asset later because like I did use this asset in one of my I think like my Duolingo stream, my past Duolingo stream. So like whenever it's like educational based, I'll be like this, you know. I'll be like glasses, yeah. Okay. So I already like wrote a bit of things. So like I hope you guys don't mind, but okay, where do I start? Where do I start explaining about this to you guys? So, I don't remember what this part literally means. Let me just okay, this coding, okay, currently this coding, it's just for like displaying stuff. Okay? So let me just show you like an example of the output. Wait. It's showing me the output, but it's not displayed to you guys. So let me just show it to you guys. Okay, no. Are it? This one. Does it show? Oh, good. Alright. Okay. So this is the output. So like, oh my god, it's covering me. Wait. Hold on for a minute. I don't wanna like try to search on like how to make the font a bit bigger because if I do then like I forgot to change it again to my own preferences. Wait a minute, just hold on. Hello, welcome Abby. Hello, Abby. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a good day. Yeah. Oh my god, hold on. Wait, I need to bruh. Output gone poof. Wait. What? Why is my... Yo, my setup is like, I need to... Oh my god, I need to set my setup better. Oh my god. Okay, alright. Yeah, this is the output currently, okay? Yeah, because, okay, let me just try to like, my view. This is like, okay, wait, can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Is it big enough? Yeah, it's this one is using the CMD to display. Yeah. I think like if I'm not mistaken, like C++, especially I'm not sure about other C++, but usually like other C++, meaning like if you use the different editor, what do you call that thing again? Coding editor. What was that? What was the term, like the technical term for it? There is like a technical term for like the softwares that you use to do programming, like an example like Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'm back. Someone just suddenly like boom came in. Okay, yeah. So how do you see it? Oh my god, I forgot what I was about to say. So yeah, it uses CMD to display, yeah. Like I know like this software uses CMD to the what was it? Command prompt to display. So like yeah, like you see like how there is like a high, like this is like from this line, which is like C out high. I'll explain to you like what like each of the things later. Yeah, goes this back roomy. Not roomy, but I guess you can say neighbor. Next door roomy. Okay, so yeah, I'll explain. Okay, let me just. I guess I have to try to explain the things. Command lines are so short. You mean like the process extend thingy, or like which one? Or is it like is it like the what was it? The input output, like those kind of lines. Okay, so first, let me just walk through to you one by one. Wait, I need to check like this one thing. Man. Okay, alright. Oh. Oh, okay, alright. And this is just not me just teaching. This is also like me learning also because I forgot how coding works. Not how coding works, more like how like each and every of the coding stuff, you know? Okay, alright. Alright. So first, okay, I'm pretty sure like some of you is like wondering what the heck is this first line? What the heck is this? No, this I don't want to make it as a breakpoint. Like why the heck is there like hashtag include IO stream? Like this is not Twitter. This doesn't have tags. This is not Twitter. Why are we using hashtags? You might be wondering why. And at first I was also wondering why too. Like why the heck is there like a hashtag? Hashtag include what was it? That arrow to the left thingy, and then like IO stream, and then arrow to the right thingy. Oh, as I understand, this one is actually like include, meaning like you will have to include a library. So like a library is like it's something like in the computer or like in the like compiler where the compiler is actually like it's translating what we are writing to the computer, because the way we speak is different from computers. So like like as an example, yesterday I said 1 plus 1 equals to 10, right? So like computer understands that. Yeah, like at least like the binary in binaries, like 1 plus 1 equals to 10. It can, like, it understands that. We don't understand why the heck is 1 plus 1 equals to 10. And not until we learn like the significance and stuff. Because computer understands like binary numbers, to say the short. Like the whole thing is like understanding like the whole process is like that's something that you could like look up on the internet on, because I'm not gonna touch on that much, I guess. So yeah, so this is basically like this is like it's one of the tools that can help us to translate what the heck we are inputting in whatever language that we're using to to uh to what the computer understands. Yeah. So it translates what you write to binary. That's the gist of it. Yeah. Like the actual is like it translates to what the computer understands. It's like a library that helps you to like that provides you with stuff. It provides you with like let's say like in art we have like brushes, right? Like there's like some pre-made brushes by other artists and stuff. So like it's something like that. So it has a library of it, like library of a lot of things that can help us to write in a programming language where the compiler that translates it to binary. My God, do you understand what I'm saying? Oh my God. Basically, this is just like a library containing like tools for us to like for convenience to write in C++. Wow, I'm going in circles. It auto downloads? Yes. It's like it's not auto downloads. It's like it's already there when you like in the what was it? Like because like there's something that you gotta download during the installation. So like it's already there, yeah. It just uses it from like already existing file. Yeah. Really need to explain it. I am I am like, yeah, like that's like the include iOS tree and I'm using namespace std. That's like, yeah, they're basically like what makes it simpler for us to write in C++. Yeah. Yes, exactly, yes. So whatever you wrote next underneath has to go through the library first before the computer can understand it. Yes, that's correct. Yeah. Because like if like let's say like you just because okay I don't think we can see this. Wait. Wait. Let me put this a bit down. Okay, alright. Let's see. Oh my God, it's so small. Wait. Can you like if I hover it? No, okay. Oh my God. this is hard. Different to Python, yeah. Python you have to download libraries. If I'm not mistaken, like compared to Python, you have to download the libraries first. Like there's a command for you to download the libraries first, and then you just write the things. If I'm not mistaken, because like yeah, I used to deal with Python. Yeah. Small, at least it got good personality. Yeah, so like that's like the I guess like that's what makes it like it makes the tiny bit easier to write in C++. Even though like C++ can be like very complicated, like frick man, what the heck man. I should look like for the book that I used to have. Oh wait, I think I have that book. It's average, Nathan. Don't discredit it like that. Okay, it's average. Okay. But like, yeah, like I guess like that's the difference between Python and Java and not Java and Python and C++. Yeah. I am like looking at my oh my god, I'm looking at my like a book that I have on C++ and oh god. You'll be like very confused, you know. Okay, so yeah, that's the okay, so that's like the first thing that I have. Hashtag is for comments. Yeah, for Python that is correct, but for Java, for C++, it's a different command. Yeah. Comments is also important in coding, by the way, because like usually when you look at a stack of coding, usually it's like 100 to like 1,000 lines of codes. So like this one is like a really basic coding. So yeah. There's a lot of things like I don't know, pointers and stuff. Weird stuff. It's kind of hard to understand. So like for now we just do the simple ones. Okay, so like using namespace case. So the IO stream. So like this. Okay, so back to hashtag include IO stream. So this one is like hashtag include is like for you to use the library. There's also other libraries such as like C math. That's usually like if you want to like calculate in like like the square roots and stuff. Yeah, I only remember C math. Oh my god. So yeah, like IO stream is for the input and output stream. So like basically like this C out that you see here, it's also a part of the IO stream. It makes it like much more easier to write how to like output things. And then using namespace std, it's basically like using the namespace standard. I'm not really clear on like what it stands for, but okay, all right, okay. It also makes things much more easier to use, like the C out thing. Like, wait, let me just show you an example. Wait, let me just close this. Yeah, let me just close this. Let's say using namespace std, I comment it. Basically, comment it meaning like the compiler will not read it. It's just like a note for the programmer. So like for in C++, you use like a double slash if you want to comment like one line, or what was it again? This one. If you want to comment like blocks of lines. That's how commenting works in C++. Okay. So like if you don't use like namespace std, okay, let me just compile it. I'm not sure if you can hear. Okay, you know what? My desktop audio will be like open for this. Okay. So alright, let's try to compile it. Yeah, okay, as you can see here, there is an error. There is an error at line like this. Okay, let me just show you this part. Wait. Okay, let me just it's now much more better. So like without this using namespace std, it like this particular line, it's not like cout was not declared in this scope. So meaning that this cout is a part of the namespace standard. So if I use this, I have to use this kind of command line. Yeah, those kind of things. So like it makes it so if I don't use it, it's much more like if you read it, you'll just get confused sometimes, if you're not used to it. So like have to be like not here. std cout. So and then we compile again. I'm literally looking at the code and be like, yo, let me just check if it doxes me. Thank God it's not doxing me. std is standard. STD is the short form for standard. So basically it's just using namespace standard. Yeah. It's not the other thing, you know? It's not the other thing. So like, and then this will when you output it. Yeah, right. Let me just, yeah, it still outputs the same thing because I only change like how I output this thing. Okay. All right. So that's one. Okay. So next I'm not gonna explain much about this at first because this is like I need to explain other things first. Okay. So alright, so basically that's the use of like using namespace standard. It's just like making things easier. Like I learned this like from like because I learned this like formally, so like yeah, like I remember like back during my years of studying, the lecturers are like you have to remember to use this too. Like you really have to do it because it makes life like they don't say why, they just say that it's important to use this. Whenever you code for C++, you have to use this. That's literally just what they say. Like I don't think anyone ever like asked like why it's so important to use it. So like I'm just like, oh okay. Okay, alright. So that's one thing. I think you can see like how here there is like the C++ compiler and stuff. So like the include IOStream and using namespace standard, they're like from here, from this file specifically this file. So like it's already there. That's why they don't really like download first and then like use it. Yeah. I used to use like Python in like Google Colab. Kinda hard. Kinda hard for someone that starts with like C++. Okay. Alright. So now we're okay. Now into this thing. So like this int main is like basically this is something that you must have so that your program can work. So like this is what this int main and then bracket and then like there's like curly braces. This is what we call a function. Like programming languages, like literally when doing programming, function is always there to make things much more in order, appropriate. So like this is like the main like literally like whenever like the code is compiled and run, this is like what they look for first. Not what they look for first, at least like after reading like the library stuff, they look for this so that they can start to display or like start to run the program. So yeah, so see okay, so like there's two different syntaxes. Oh wow, now I remember what it is. Syntax. Freaking, it's already half an hour and I just remembered. Oh yeah, it's called syntax. Syntax is the way. Okay, syntax is like the way you write a code. So like different programming languages have different syntax. So like as an example for this part, this is the C out and then like the arrow to the left 2 times. And then like there's something behind it. This is what we call the output syntax. You want to display something. Yeah, this is what you want to display something. Like the computer shows you something. Like how do you see it? It's like how do you relate it to a real world context? Basically like you just program it to like if you program it to give you cash, then they display you cash. Kind of. Yeah. Just display though. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the like for like I can see like for other programming languages like Java and stuff, they have different. It's different. So yeah. I remember like Java is like system.out.print or print line. Now. Cout is display, yeah. Cout is display. And then there's also another which is we call this which is the input. So input is what we did like some kind of data You call it data or data? Data or data? I don't know how to say it, man. But like it's how it's the user, like not programmers, but like the user gives data to the program. Yeah. We call it data seems. We call it data. Okay, people call it data. Okay, I'm gonna call it data too. Okay. Data structure algorithms. Oh yeah, there is another one, which is the input. For that one, yes, cin, and then like right arrow 2 times. Usually before this, we what was it? Declare variables. What is declaring variables? So basically, variables is like some kind of like storage, I guess you can say. Data. Okay. So like okay, sit in something. Okay, like you sit in something. I don't know. You sit in 1, you sit in 2. I don't know. Wait, can you actually do this? Wait, can I do this? No, I can't. It's invalid. Okay, first I'm gonna like declare a variable. What is a variable? So a variable is basically like how do I say this? It's like a container for whatever data you want to put in it. So like as an example, int hi. Yes, int hi. And then we cin hi. No, let me just see out more first. See out. Insert some kind of data, please. My friend used to call data as data. Oh, okay. This, and then we go like, how is the way? Yeah. Please onegai datte pa yo. Alright, so like this int high is a variable. So basically it acts like a container for us to use for like usually in programming, like in programs, one variable is used for a lot of things, like a lot of lines. Like you put here high and then like it will like usually people will display it again. Yeah. Usually people will display it again. Wait, let me just end line first. End line. Okay, alright. So yes, hi. I'm not doing the basic hello world thing. So yeah. So cin hi, it will request an input from the user. It will request like okay, let me just run this through. Is it end line? Oh yeah, for those of you that are like curious about what this end line does, basically it just prints out an empty line. Like it just like the cursor moves to a new line. Yeah. Yeah, it's the x in x plus 1 equals 2. Yes. It's that. Yes. How what do you is it that like yeah, it is a variable. It's like the variable in math, you know. Yeah. Wait, let me just try to compile this and see how it is. Oh, it's good. Uchi. Good. Okay, let me try to make things clear to you. I won't explain yet what this int does. I want you to see like how it works with insert some kind that data, please. So you can see here, like you can see here the output is insert some kind of data, please. So and then like the cursor, you can see the cursor is already at like at the bottom below the output. The output. That's what end line does. It directs the cursor to the next line. That's what NDL in the output statement is. Yeah. If I don't do that, it will become messy. So it's just a personal preference. But usually like people will actually ask to do that too. So yeah. So and then here, whenever there's cursor, like I think you notice there's no statement like this program runs for like blah 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 seconds at this terminal, at the CMD command prompt. So this is actually an indication for me to input something, for the user to input something. So let's say I put 5. So it will so after that, oh, okay, it automatics. So like after I input 5 and press enter, because I output an add line first, it goes to another line. So like there's like one empty line, and then the output of what I entered before. So then it shows 5. So yeah, that's like the basic of it. Yeah, this is like the most basics of basics. Let's see. Like let's say like if you want to put like a string, you want to put like understandably English, understandable English. There's another library that you should use for C++. Wait. So like that's the I guess like that's the most basic of basics of the program, because before I go in a bit deeper, like explaining what INC means and like the additional like other libraries that you could use, those kind of thing. Are you guys still okay? Try to like maybe digest for a bit. I didn't enable the like DVR, but later on you could rewatch this again. Yeah. Yes, exactly, Ambiami. Yes, that's exactly that. Yes, that's what it does. Yes. Kinda lose it, I still follow. It's okay. It's okay. Seriously, who is Sailor Uranus? I'll give it a short break. How is it? Which part do you find confusing? Is it like the syntax for C++ or what? My god. Like I think I'm planning to like do like after this I'll go into like the what was it? The like if you understand programming, then I'm thinking of like going into like loops and just the data type. Yeah. That one is like it's a set with the C in and C out. So like for C in for this part, like C out is like imagine that the word C out is the display screen. So like it shows to that screen something. So like in opposite for C in, like it shows towards the screen, like from the screen towards to the inside, like the system itself. You can imagine it like that. So like yeah, so and then it gives value to high. You can imagine it like that. I think it's already a set with C out and C in. You can never do like okay, let's try. Okay, let's try for one. Let's try compile it. It's a set, yeah. For C out and C in, the arrows are already a set. Yeah. Can a program run on 2 different languages? No. As far as I remember, no. Like you can't really you can't combine C++ and Java as an example, because the way that they do it is like because the compiler usually like because usually you save a file, like the file itself is saved with a predefined extension, like let's say PNG, like let's say like C++ uses PNG, right? So only like when you define the extension, when the extension is already defined as PNG, only C++ can read it and understand it. So you can't really use other languages. Like suddenly you want to do it in Java, then the compiler will get confused and like, what the frick is this, man? Yeah, it is like that's like, yeah, it just makes it a bit confusing. At least that's what I understand. If I am mistaken, please let me know. I'll also like check again if you can actually. But like they are like not languages, but like how do no, I don't think that's it. Nah. Yeah. Yeah, it's already like that. Yeah, it's predefined. Yeah. It's already like that. Alright. Boom. 1 + 1 = 10. Yes. You want to make that? I cannot like, because like for this particular, like it still doesn't understand, like, because this is like what we input, like insert some kind of database, is like it's what we understand. So like if I ask it to like 1 + 1, it will still output as 2. Like it is 2 on the computer's like mind. I don't know how to say it. But like they help to decipher it, like translate it so that it's 2 to us. So like I'm not sure like whether like it's whether I can like display it in binary form. Yeah. Okay, you guys take a break as I try to look up things. Binary number converter, C++. Let's see. Oh. Library. Oh, wait. What is this? Oh my god. Wow, I'm looking at the... Still, I go to the restroom? Yes, you can go to the restroom. Yes, you can. I am trying to make sense of what I'm seeing right now. Let's see. Bit set for conversion. Equal function. Let's see, is that integer to like what? Wait. Wow, I am also like, wait, what the heck is this? Bit set. Why is it 8? Oh, it's like 8 digits. And then to string. Oh, it uses the toString function. Okay. Are you guys okay? I feel like I'm nerding out for like almost an hour. Man, like C++ is actually like a really difficult language, but like yeah, just a bit. Like I just want to introduce you to it a bit before we go to like something like HTML kind of thing. Yeah. When running your code, how does the command window computer know when to stop to ask the user for their prompt? Why does it stop at line 7 and resume after you type in 5? Is it because of the CN? Okay, alright. That's a good question. That is a good question. Wait. Let's see. All right. Wait. Let me just read the question again. Okay, how does the window or computer know when to stop to ask the user for their prompt? So, the way that okay, wait. How do I word this? Every time like there is like a in prompt, or like there is actually also one other command that they use for the computer to pause the display, because what they pause is actually the display. Like they already like have like the like imagine it like how do you say this? Wow, I think I need to like draw things, man. Wait a minute. Let's see. All right. So let's see. Okay. I can't even understand the question. Wish I can prepare it. It's okay. It's okay. I can help. Okay. What Ami is saying. Okay. What Ami is saying. Like when the code, like when running the code itself, right? After you already compiled, after the computer already translate all the thingies. So, how does the computer know? Like when does it stop to ask the user for their prompt? So like how does it know it has to stop? So that's after the computer already run. So like because when the compiling and running is two different things. Compiling is just make like the computer is trying to understand whatever the heck the programmer is writing. Like, is this understandable? Do I understand this? If I can understand, then proceed. If we can understand, then there's the errors. Yeah. So that's the compiling part. And the running part is essentially just like the computer already understands, and now it's just doing whatever the programmer writes it to do. It's just brainless doing, you know? Yeah. So basically what Ami is asking is how does the computer know when to ask the user prompt? So why does it stop at line 7 and resume after you type in 5? So it's not really okay, like, yeah, it can be any number because I used INT here, so yeah. Compiling is me on the math test with 10 minutes left. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so how does it know? Okay, how does it know, and why does it stop at line 7 and then resume after I type something? So, is it because of the cin? Yes, it is because of that. Whenever there is cin, the program will always stop to ask you a prompt. It will always stop so that the user can put in something, can key in something. So like, okay, let me just insert some kind of data, please. I'm going to comment it. Basically, I'm just going to make it hidden. The program will be like, okay, you guys won't see this. Okay? To make things a bit clear. So like this, and then boom. Okay. Alright, all you see here is just a cursor. Right? That cursor is actually for the line cin. For the line it skips line 7. Now it's at line 8. It's waiting for the user to enter something. So like, because it's okay. Yeah, I think I can explain now what INT is. INT is actually a data type. So like it's like that it only understands numbers. It only understands numbers. So let's say here, wait, let me try to put a, I think it's going to be like ASCII or something. Is it ASCII or what? I forgot how they translate it. But like INT, it receives like, if it receives any input, it will store it in the form of like integer. Integer is like numbers of like, there's like it's an integer of like the how is it? The technical term is like it's an integer with like from something from a certain number value something to something. it's a bit complicated to say, but what I can say is it receives like it stores numbers. So if it receives like something like a or like apostrophe, something like that, it will store it as a number. So, and then it will display it as a number because it is an INT. It only understands numbers, doesn't understand alphabets. Yeah. So that's INT. So like, okay, to continue on the question, it is yes, it is because of the CN. There is also another way to make it so that the system pause, which is let me just check again. Let me just check again. Where's the I found it. Okay. There is like one. So like you put system pause pace pause. Oh yeah, by the way, in C++ you have to, after each line, after every command you have to put semicolon, or else it will display error. Yeah. Kinda oof. So like, yeah, let's try see what this does. Oh wait. Nini? Wait. What am I missing? Oh, okay. I am missing. No. This is the wrong one. I think this is Java's function or something. Like the way I write it. Pause. Alright, is it okay now? What happened? I tried to like compile things, but it's actually a wrong way of writing it. Alright, so okay, let's see what it displays. No, I think I need to like have the no. This will make you confused. Wait. Let's see. Okay, alright. Try to compile it and then run it. Okay. So like, okay, so here it will pause because there is a CN. So I insert something like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, F, G. And then I click, after I put this, I click enter. Like, whichever enter works, as long as it's enter. I click enter. Then this press any key to continue is the system pause. So like the system stops like pausing here. That's also like a method of like it pauses in running a program. And then if you click anything, it displays the it just makes every string to 0. Okay. So yeah, and then like it displays the number because it's integer. The data type is integer. Can we code Smaga to Lightning? Yes. We can. But for this example, I will not be coding that. I want to make things a bit like simpler for you guys to understand, yeah. Okay. So, Ami, does that answer your question? Does that answer your question? Yeah, it does. Thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, I think I can proceed with like the other data types. So there is also other data types, which includes there is like there is boom. All right, so yeah, I think I don't want to use this. The proper writing I should actually be doing is like return 0. So that it's because like the system always returns 0 if there's like no errors, like it accomplished everything. There's no errors while running it. That's like the proper way of writing things, but I forgot to do that. YouTube algorithm brought me here. Hi, hello, welcome. It is kind of like, I don't know, entertainment-ish, but like also educational-ish because I'm coding right now. Hello, Manuel. Hello, welcome. I hope you had a good day, and I hope you had your meals also. And you have a good day after this. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that is the. Okay, what else? Data types. Okay. There are like several types of data types that we have. One of it is character, which is like char. Like you can make like char hello. And there's also like float or double. Wait, does it use double here? Does C++ use double also? I think it does, but I'll just use float. there's like difference between like double and float, because like for float it can understand decimals, but for like double and float can like they have like limitations. One of it has limitations. Understand how computer brain works, yeah. A bit, a bit. This is not like something like assembly or binary. Okay, so like float hi. So let's say it like that. So like this is like numbers. Stores numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And then we have Miss Mitch, I want to go to sleep now. So Otsu, and now my small brain going to shut off for you. Okay. Have a good rest. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Right, so there's that. Okay, stores numbers, and then the chart is like stores 1 character. Can be digits, alphabets, etc. Can stores character. It can stores character. Like it can store a lot of characters, I believe. But I forgot. Yeah, sweet. No. Not one type. It stores like it can store a lot of types. I got mistaken because this character you can define it to store like numerous characters, I believe. Glasses Nathan is pretty. Okay. Like let's say you like make it like something this one. This is like something array, I think. Wait, is that how I write it? Is that how you write it? Wait. No, not that. It's supposed to be after. Okay. By blue. Oh, why did I put my I put my keyboard elsewhere? Oh, I just remembered I forgot to like take picture of my tablet and my keyboard. But well, yeah. Anyway, characters can store like an array of characters. So like it can store like like characters in writing, right? Like there's like 1, 2, 3, like in the word word there's 4 characters. It's something like that, yeah. But you have to define how many characters it can hold. So like after you name the variable. Yeah, so it can be digits, alphabets, etc. And then float it stores. It stores decimals. Yeah. Okay. Let's do a demonstration. Press 1, 2, 3, can? Yes, can. There's also one that we use, like also common. Like I think like it's because character is related to some other thing in programming. So like there's also another thing called string. Hi. But for string is like something similar to character. It also stores character, like but we call it like storing a string because like stores a string, meaning that don't have to decide how big the how many characters the variable can store, unlike string. Yeah. Alright, so let's see the comparison. Oh my god, this is like probably you guys are like yeah, I understand. Oh my god, this is like bad. But to use string, It's another library called like, oh no, why did I delete that? Which is called include string. At least that's what I remember. So okay, let's try this. But my god, if my lecturers saw this stream, she's gonna be like, what? What is this girl doing? Is it? Oh, it already processed. Oh wait, I should change this. So like it's some kind of the data, please. So let's see for the character first, okay? We compare the character and string. So hello, and then like, wait. Then we see out hello. There's a reason why coding has its own degree. Yes. Huh? There's a reason. Huh? Coding has its own degree? What do you mean? Confused. Huh? Okay, hold on. Let me show you what I... Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Well, at least it's... Okay, this is some kind of database. So like, let's put like test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It has its own cars. Yeah, it's not easy. This is like the... This is why like this is like the most basics of basics I can tell you. Like going deeper is like, yo, bruh. Not raining, sorry, it's okay. It like this whole thing probably decimated people's brain cells, and I don't even blame you for that. It does that. Oh, it's wait. But this is like 20 characters. Okay. So like for this one, yeah, you can like put test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah 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 blah, and then it will input the same thing. It will output. It will display the same thing. So like, let's say I put it like, I limit it to 5. Okay, I limit it to 5. And then try to run it. I'll put test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Wait. Why is the character not charactering? Huh? Wait. TEST 1, 2, 3. Wait. More than 5. Yeah, it's supposed to be like, it's supposed to not store like, that's already like 4, 3, 7. Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3 is 7 characters. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait, I did put hello, right? Yeah, hello. Yeah, wait. Let me just check again. Oh my god. Bruh. This is a bruh moment. Let's see. Character. Wait a minute. Limit at C in command. Usually you limit it at like usually you already limit it here. Like on this line. Usually it's already limited there, but wait, let me check what's going on. Wait. Char. What is it? Declaring char variable in C++. In SQL, bruh. Because string is in the code. Oh yeah, code. Wait. Usually it doesn't affect usually. Wait. Char keyword. Wait, I'm looking at the tutorial websites right now. Like, it could be like it should limit at CN, but like what? Bruh. Was I thought differently all this time? Was I lied to? Bruh. Mm, char. Defining, declaring. Oh yeah, like the like this whole thing, we call it as declaring variables. So like we are we are telling the computer that these objects exist, so you must look out for these things. You must make space for these things. Put it in your mind, kind of thing. Wait, let's see. Let me just check again. Why is it pointer? I know it's related to pointer, bro. Does slash make it not rhyme the line? Yes. The slash is the comment. It comments one line, like after the slash. Yes. Oh, it's a. It's. Oh no, it's going to like if I taught you about char right now, it's going to like delve into like a whole other territory, which is like very confusing in coding. So like I'm not gonna use this example. All I can tell is yes, it exists. Wow, apa nih? Hello, mother. Hello, welcome. It's been such a while since I last see you. I hope you're doing well. I hope you have a good day. I hope you had good meals. Yes. Man, hello. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Okay, this chart, I think I put it aside. There's like a whole other jar of things. It's like the char is char. Like it is correct, but like, man, it's related to pointers. It is like char is. Oh wait, like char exists, but how do I say this? Like it's like a whole other can of worms, you know? Like if I touch that subject, you will be like, what the hell is going on? Do I understand what's going on? Like it is like that is like one whole topic that I'm kind of weak in. So like I don't want to touch that can of worms. So I'll move on to string. String does the exact same thing, but you don't have to like define what the size of it in like, because there's like this thing, square bracket, and then like the number and then square bracket. That's actually the size of it. But yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know about this thing. Wait, what if I set this as hello 5? I think like it will only display hello. Wait, let's see what happens. I'm curious now. Guess I'll hide the Charlotte. Let's see. All right, I want to see what it does. Yeah, I want to see if what Ami said is true. Let's see. Ah ha ha ha. Yeah, it's related to pointers. Oh my god, no. Just put string. Basically, just put the input as output by itself. Yes. String does that. Yes. Yeah. This chart thing is going to be like a whole can of worms. I don't want to touch that. Hi, like you see this? Hi. Hi. Yes. Like usually, like people want to make it easy, so they just like use string variable, like the data type. All right. Wait, do I do conditions first or loops first? Which one is easier? Okay, anyway. Yeah. So like whatever you input is the output. Yes. Is hi a label? It's the variable, yes. You can name the variable anything. So like you want to name it X, you can name it X. You want to name it like your name? Yeah, make it your name. You can name it whatever you want. But usually like people name it as something they can understand. Yeah. Oh my god, such an educational. I should have tagged this as educational instead of entertainment. Name it Nyanyame. You want me to name it Nyanyame? Okay, I changed this thing to Nyanyame. Nyanyame. And then I copy paste here. No. To make it much more clear, let me just put this. No, not this. You just enter. Yeah. I wish my teacher was this cute so I focused. Oh my god, you're so true. Understandable. This is an overcooked stream. Can I be cooking our brain? Yes, I'm cooking your brain. Yes. Yeah, this makes things much more easier to understand. Okay. Yeah. What else? Oh yeah. By the way, if you want to like combine like a lot of things to display, usually you just add another arrow like this. I forgot to mention that. Yeah. Like even input also, you can like combine inputs. You can like make it so that after enter you can input another data like directly. But it's like I don't use that often. I don't know about others. Yeah. Hello John, welcome to the stream. I hope you have a good day and I hope you have good meal. Yeah. I'm frying people's brains. I'm frying my own brain in the meantime. Yeah. I'm good. Yes, I won't be focused on the topic of the I hope you're like understanding, like even just a bit. I hope you understand a bit. Yeah. I want to like geeking out. Just finished playing Deep Rock Galactic. Oh, that's nice. I hope you enjoyed that gaming session with your friends. Man. Any examples on float? Okay, yeah, I forgot to touch about float. So float. Okay, this one is high. Rock and stone. Why are you learning coding? Yum yum. Because I forgot how to code. I forgot how to code. By the way, this is C++. Language. I vaguely understand because of high school computer science. It's okay. At least like vaguely understand. That's a good start. Yeah. Investing in it. Oh my god, I remember like when oh my god. Nah, I'm not gonna talk about that. That algorithm directs you guys to that part. Like, nah. Okay, like let's say the float high, it stores decimals. So like, as an example, let's say, okay, let's try to like, alright. Let's try to duplicate this. Okay, yeah, let's try to duplicate this. For one for integer and one for float. We'll see how different it is. So like this is like the int, the integer is high. And the float is high with an A. Let's see. Are you high? I think I'm high on tea. I drank a lot of tea today. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, this is the whole thing. Alright, so and then I compile. You can just like there's like another symbol that is like you can just compile it and run also, but like I like to compile it first and see if there's any errors. Yeah, alright. Then we see alright, so the first is high and the first is high. So first is bruh. Okay, so this is insert some kind of data, please. Oh wait, let me just make it clearer. Int version and float version so that you don't get confused. Alright. compile it, and then run. Yeah. Okay, so insert some kind of data, please. So for this one, if I input like 3.14 to blah 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 blah, suddenly it's like some kind of pi. Alright, so and then I click enter. Oh, I didn't know the... No! Oh, it could... alright. Oh, okay. Now I see how it is. Let me just use system pause here. System pause. Let's see if it like overflows. This is okay. Wow, like this first trip already we see like the data overflow. Okay. All right. Let's okay. Compile and then run again. Let's see how what it gives us. So like let's say you put like 3.145. Okay, and then you click enter. So you just entered 3. It doesn't register. So this is the integer version, the int. It only knows the 3. It only knows the 3. The 0.145 it jump up to, it throws it to other place. So next. The reason why, okay, so the reason why it's like this is because we have another cin. Yes, integer only shows the whole number. It doesn't even store the decimal. The how many whatever the decimal is. So like, but the case here is that or like because the what I'm showing is like both versions, like int first and then float. So like I think the proper one I should show float first, but whatever. It's done. So like here, the data, the 0.145, it got thrown away. So like because there is a cin, another cin that accepts float. So it receives the 0.15, the 0.145. So it's like it overrides it completely skips the cin that it should actually ask from user, because it assumes that we already input it in our first input. So yeah, it's kind of like confusing. But this is like data overflow. So like I think like this part, like people that understands more about this understands how it is. But what I can say is the program is acting weirdly because you just entered something that int cannot understand. It cannot store. Not cannot understand. Cannot store. It's like invalid. So like it throws it to something else. And then that something else can store it. So like that something else receives it. It's a bit complicated, but all I can say is yeah, it remembers the extra. Yeah, it's like it's like it throws it somewhere else. Yeah, combine both in one cout in. There is actually a way. Yes, you can do that. How you can do that is okay. For first one, I will put 1. Then for the second one, I will put 1.5. Then, boom. And then, boom. This is how you combine it. Because it detects the input 2 times. So like the leftovers, goes to the second one. Yeah. Combine both in one cout cin. Yes, yeah. One cout, one cin. Oh, you mean like the coding part? Yeah. To erase the 0.145, you have to redefine the variable again. You have to redeclare the variable. Ah, okay. Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. So let me just try to... Yes, exactly, Blue. Yes, exactly. You're correct. That's what it does. Yeah. I forgot to log in into Twisted Wonderland, but whatever. Alright, let's see. Alright, the whole thing. Let's see. Let's comment this part. This whole block. Okay, alright, let's try to see out. But it's like one see out, I guess like one see out is just like one user prompt, I assume. Right, Sotong? It still outputs the, like, there's like the minimum see out it should have is actually like 2, so that you can see. In high plus high. It's not high plus high. It's it's another way of writing it. It's possible. So like, let's say, let me just copy paste that. Combine them inputs. INT and look. And then we see in hi, and then hi, and then see out. So hast entered. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, just add another of the arrows. Yeah. Said in old English. Alright, okay, so like here, okay, we compile it. And then we run it. Yes. I thought add can, yeah, no, not, for C++, it's not like that, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, I could try with that, and see how it goes. But then put small grills. So like, example, you put like 40, and then you enter. Then it'll just like, oh, there's a cursor again. So you have to like put one no full number. Oh, this is because the 4,000 is because I didn't space the inputs. So yes. Entering a ballroom. Alright, okay. Yeah. Let's see. Hi, and then let's try how Sotong said. Let's try and see. Yeah, it is syntax error because it's, yeah, for C++ it's not like that. Yeah, just put it together. Yes, you can put it together. Like if people would be like, how, what? If the user prompt, if like the first C out doesn't explain it properly, people will be like, what? And then like just trying to press enter again. Yeah, this one is no match for operator. Yeah. Yeah. I think like for Java, I think Java can do like this. C++ in the name got plus in the good cat plus hiya. You can try to like wait. What you can do is like wait, let me just try 1 plus 1, okay. See out. 1 plus 1. What does it say? Let's see. Inline. Alright, boom. Oh, this one is like not alright. Forgore. Okay. Forgore. Alright. Boom. Let's see what it is. So like 60 and then 65 and then like 10.10 point, not 10.10.10. That's like IP address. Other plus used in the name. Like if you put like in the C out, you put plus, it can still calculate for you, but it calculates like it displays in decimal, not binary. So there's no 1 plus 1 equals to 10 yet. IP address leak. I don't even remember my IP address. Okay, yeah. That's like that's the float. Yes. Who knows, in the future I'll do another coding stream and I'll do like the binary ones. Haha. That'll be interesting, yeah. Okay, alright. Let's see what else. Okay, the other thing that I wanted to talk like to oh my god, that particular subject is like wow, okay. I think for today it's already 11:30 and I'm pretty sure your brains are already tired. So I think it's a good this is a good way to end the stream, yeah? You know what? Hi, it's Aion Kaname. Yeah, it's a good intro, yeah. Because that's like the most basic of basics. There's like a whole other can of worms. Teacher, got any homework to do? Good? Nah. I think like if you want the homework, you can just like try to skim through the like go through the stream again and see like if you can understand and do it on your own. Yeah. But do note that for this particular coding that I demonstrate you guys, I used the software. Wait, is it IDE? I forgot. I used Dev C++. Yes. Since I use this a little bit, it bothers me that I can't understand the others. It's okay. Yeah, try to like if you want to if you're interested to know, you can try to go through the stream again later. Combine them inputs. Head 16.5. Like if you put like 10 also, it still registers because float means that it can store decimals. It doesn't mean that it cannot store whole numbers. It still stores whole numbers. So yeah. Hi, it's Aion Kaname. So yeah, I hope this is like a bit like you guys can like I don't know, be like, oh, so coding is this hard. Do you hide only a segment of the code? Yes, I hide a segment of the code. This part, I hide it. Like there is like because the syntax for hiding a segment of the code is like /* and then */. That's how you hide a whole block of code, a whole segment of code. Yeah. I hide this part. I can just delete it. Like, yeah. Oh yeah, like whenever you compile it, you are prompted to save the file. So like that's yeah. Yeah, there is another star. That */ yeah. I hope you guys I don't know if you had fun. But I'm pretty sure some of your brains are hurting. But I hope like I really had fun. Even though like sometimes like mishaps happen. Mishaps happen. But yeah, I had fun learning something new. Yeah. Like I don't wanna go in like too detailed because like the more details I'll go into it later, you know? Yeah. It's our Thank you for the stream, Yum Yum. Yes, you're welcome. Oh, you know that can / but didn't know couldn't do the /*. Yeah, like I think this one was like, some people don't tell about this. Like didn't talk much about this, but this is you can also do this. Yeah, I hope. Even though your brains might be hurting or anything, you will have a good day onwards as well. Yes. It'll be fun to have another one of these, not gonna lie. You know what? I have fun answering your questions also. Even though like I'm kinda like yeah, everyone will leave the stream because their brain got fried. This particular thing, if I explain further about this, your brains are definitely going to be fried. Even mine. Because this is like the things about it is just holy shiz. Holy shiz. Like I can't even like bruh. But yeah. Hope we can continue this next lesson. Okay, if you like considering that this stream is like also like for you guys are also like some of you are also like, you know, like wanting like got good questions and stuff and like you just tell me whenever you don't understand or like just tell the truth if you don't even understand. Yeah. I can't really say it's hard, it's gonna be I can tell you that when I first learned about that thing, it took me a few months, I think, or a few weeks, because I was not there during the first lesson, like the first formal lesson. So like, I was just like, whatever the heck is going on. And then like, I tried to understand, like, what the heck is this? Yeah. Months for char. It's like not char because like it's not the issue is not char, but like the concept like that char can hold, you know. Yeah. What does return do? Okay, what return do is like it returns like for you know like how I explained int is like it receives integer, right? So basically return means that it ends the program with a value. Like this return 0, it will return 0 if the usually people do return 0. That's the common thing. What it does is like after everything is completed in the program, at the end it will return 0 to the computer. Yes. That's resumes. No, it's just resumes for short. Like I think can return other number also. Wait. Like let's say you return 5. Pretty sure you can just like like 50 and then 50. Yeah. You see there, you can return whatever value, but the common practice is 5 because that's the indicator that there is no errors like during the running. Because there are sometimes there are errors during running the program. There is such cases. Yeah. Yeah. It's not that it stops everything else. It's just like it makes sure that everything is completed and then it returns something. No, it's not a restart. It's just like letting the computer know that okay, so it has ended. So this is the value that you could end the program with, kind of thing. Yeah, it's not restart. Yeah. Stop. No. I hate it here. Hey, I want to test the freaking Discord Uno. I want to test the Discord Uno, guys, please. It's not a restart. It's just ending things, but like before it ends, it's just telling you like, oh yeah, so this ends successfully. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot. Kaname has Discord server. Yeah, I do. It's in the description below. Wait, is it in the description below? I believe it is in the description below. Yes. I only copy paste. Every stream I copy paste. What happens if you don't put the return? If you don't put the return, wait, I already didn't put the return at first. What it does is let's see what it do. Yeah, let's see what it do. We do this, and then like we do ba-bum, ba-boom. Yeah, you can see that process exited after 4.794 seconds with return value 0. That's the default return value. You can like it's completely okay if you don't put like return 0 or anything, but like yeah, it's like at least for me it's kind of like common practice. I was trained with it kind of. If I didn't put it like back then people would be like lecturer would be like, yo, you forgot your return 0, man. Yeah, it always shows that. Yeah, it always shows 0 if the program ends successfully, no errors. If there is error, it will it will return some other value. Yeah. Like I haven't like that's like on a deeper, more level. Yeah. Yeah. This is Wowie. She got it, thanks nature. No problem, no problem. Yeah. I hope this has been yeah. Any more questions before I end? This is not about Char. This Char is the man. I feel cheated. Perhaps when we continue the class. I don't. It's it. I think we just need a bit more revision. Yeah. Drink some water before we end. Gotta stay hydrated. Yes. Yeah. Drink some water. I drank water during the stream. Yes. Do I even have like my? Yeah, I have my background music on also. Yeah. I was a bit worried. Like, yo, I've been talking to like without a BGM, bruh. Stop! Yeah. I want to play budget Uno. Yo, what? Okay, any more questions? I give you 1 minute. 1 minute to like for you to think if you have any more questions. Yeah, for you to think. Because do I think? I guess I do think because I came up with all these thingies. Yeah. No questions here. Okay. What about the others? I'm looking at the Discord server Ami has made it in. Ah, yes. Fernando, okay. Last few seconds. What's the purpose of coding? Like, what is it for? It is for build. It is for what you see on screen. Right now. It is for like what you see on screen. It is for programs. It is for building programs, like, building websites itself, Google Chrome, Google whatever it is. Then it is for building every single app that you see. Like even Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, those kind of things. That's the purpose of coding. It's to build something on the computer operating system. Yeah. It is to build an application generally. So like, yeah, that's why you learn this kind of thing. That's why coding. What did you have for dinner? What the heck are these questions? I had rice and beef curry. Keep looking for questions to stop. Beef curry, yeah, I had beef curry. Pretty nice. Yes. Sounds yummy, yes. It is yummy, yeah. Okay. Questions closed. It's more than 1 minute. So yeah, I guess, yeah, that's the end of the stream. Beef curry sounds delicious. Force end, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that is all for today's stream. I hope, yeah, like I said, like I mentioned beforehand, I hope you had like, if you learned something new, that's good. If you're like, you don't understand a thing, it's okay. I guess like my presence here is also a comfort to you and stuff. Makes you happy? Yes. I'm glad. Yes. So yeah, I really had fun answering questions and like just doing this kind of thing. It makes me remember back when I was really into coding. Yeah. Like I will actually schedule another coding. I'm not sure when though. Yeah. So as usual, thank you very much for stopping by. Yeah. Cool. Thank you very much. Yeah. So Yeah, if you wanna like try to like understand more, you can rewatch the VOD. No problem. Yeah. Yeah, it's literally coupled with this adorable. Yeah, that's fanname. Yeah, it's fanname. Yes. So yeah. Tomorrow I have a stream on the same time, 10 p.m. Friday farming, but I'm kind of like questioning myself, like whether I want to do Rune Factory 4 again or like skip to like not skip, like transition to Rune Factory 5 for a bit. I'm still like thinking about it. Yeah. Or who knows? I don't know. Maybe I do something else. So yeah, thank you very much for stopping by. Yes. Oh, Rune Factory 5. Yeah. Rune Factory. Yeah, I have Poke. Like I have like I saw like the bachelors and bachelorettes. Pretty. Yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow if I want to like jump into Rune Factory 5 for a bit before I continue Rune Factory 4. So yes, thank you very much for stopping by. I'll be seeing you guys next time. So until then, bye-bye. Wait, I didn't click. Bye-bye. Bye. Have a good rest.